myself Shivang. This is the tutorial for your first song, which is Zor Ka Jhatka. So you guys are off stage when the music starts. You kind of just like get the audience attention and it's like, you know, like be all cool. So you go up and you do it like this, take it to the left, and you do it like that, take it to the top, or whatever it says. Yeah, from there you guys have one part to basically come and take your position center stage. From there you clap right down, you go left down, you go right up, left down. So you go da da da, up and up, down, down, up, up. From the back to back, you guys hold your hands and come. Zor Ka Jhatka on high zoro se, the forward hand. So left for me, right for the guy. You go high zoro se. From there you do the chaiya chaiya step. You go right, left, left. Yeah. So the step is also doing from right to left. When you're using your right hand first, you go laga, ha laga. From there you face each other. It's like you're putting a varmala. So first the girl does it. You go शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की. On saza the guy does like as we say sorry and the girl does saza. Saza. Like honestly this about this whole song like make it like very interactive and very, you know, like less dance and more like as if, you know, like it's like you're acting and then, you know, interacting with the audience and with each other as well. Yeah. So let's try from Zor Ka. So you go Zor Ka Jhatka har zoro se laga, laga and शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा, सजा. From there you repeat again 1 2 3 4. Now this time you get it back also. So it comes twice. You go right left. So this comes on Zor Ka Jhatka hai zoro se laga, laga. From there right hand you go hold, left hand up. You swing the hand down, throw it back, and then you get it down. You go right hit, left hit. So always right and right are meeting. So you go right, left, throw and down, go hit and a hit. From there the guy will give the right hand and the girl will give the left hand. The guy stays there, the girl goes around. पिए हैं उदासी, जान के प्यासी, छठ से अच्छा तुम ले लो फांसी. From the outside hand, whichever side we are, so that hand we just go out and then we look at each other, look. So this comes on लाखों दुखों की होती है ये. Now the hand which is in comes on top, the other hand becomes like a tabletop and you go back to back, hit 6 7 8. Yeah, so this comes on लाखों दुखों की होती है ये बजा, बजा. And from this like you're kind of meeting each other. So you go Zor Ka Jhatka high zoro se, face each other, open leg position. You go down to up gradually, laga, laga. From there you repeat the varmala. शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा, सजा. And you go chhato types and then you, the girl will basically walk out the stage towards the right side and the guy will stay there for the next voiceover. Alright, so let's just try once from the second one. 5 6 7 go. Zor Ka Jhatka hai zoro se laga, laga and शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा, सजा. And पिए हैं उदासी, जान की प्यासी, छठ से अच्छा तुम ले लो फांसी. लाखों दुखों की होती है ये बजा, बजा. जोर का झटका है जोरों से लगा, लगा. शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा, सजा. And छठ. Yeah, just example, you can either do this or if you did like this step, you can also do it like one hand up and one hand down. So you go Zor Ka Jhatka hai zoro se laga, laga. If you thought this was like a bit like not appropriate, you can also do like one hand. We actually went with this, but this is also another alternative that we're giving you. So any, like whatever you like, you can incorporate that in the choreography, and this is like your end of first song.